Welcome to Zoology online class, Adhiyaman Metric Higher Secondary School. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the respiratory system of frog and blood vascular system of frog, that means circulatory system of frog. First of all, we are going to discuss about the respiratory system of frog. Actually, the frog living in the both land and water. That is why it is called amphibious life. So it is different. It respire in two different ways. That is, see, in the water they respire through the skin, and in the land they respire through the buccal cavity, skin and lungs. Okay. First, the frog live in the water. They respire through the skin. Okay. That is called the cutaneous respiration. That respiration is called cutaneous respiration. Whenever the frog living in the water, the oxygen dissolve in the water. The water come on to fall on the skin and the gases exchange is taking place. How the gases exchange taking place? By a simple diffusion. So through the diffusion, the oxygen get enter in the skin and blood vessels, and the same way the carbon dioxide enter out from the skin. This is called cutaneous respiration. Then frog live in the land. Okay. When the frog living in the land, there are three mode of respiration is there in frog. That is, one is called buccal respiration, another one is called skin respiration, that means cutaneous respiration, another one is called lungs respiration, that is called pulmonary respiration. First of all, we see the buccal respiration. Whenever the frog in the land, that time the buccal respiration is there. How the buccal respiration? Whenever buccal respiration, the mouth is completely closed, the nostrils are open. Then the floor of the buccal cavity rises and down. As a result, the air moving into the nostril and get out. So that is inspiration and expiration is occur. This is called buccal respiration. But whenever buccal respiration, the mouth is completely closed. Okay. The next respiration by lungs. The lungs is a pair of lungs is there. Through the lungs respiration is called pulmonary respiration. See, a pair of lungs are present in the frog. It is an elongated in nature and it is a pink color in nature, and it is a sac-like structure which is located in the upper region of the abdomen. Okay. Through these lungs, the respiration take over. How the pulmonary respiration occur? The air enter into the nostril, then goes to the buccal cavity, then enter in the lungs. And the same way, carbon dioxide from the lungs come to the buccal cavity and expelled out through the nostril. And this kind of respiration is called pulmonary respiration, which this pulmonary respiration occur whenever the frog present on the land. And another category, the skin respiration. Whenever the frog is present in the land, the skin respiration is also carried out. The skin respiration is called cutaneous respiration. In the two situations, the frog goes under the skin respiration in the land. What is that? One is called aestivation, another one is called hibernation. First of all, what is meant by aestivation? Aestivation means summer sleep. That means if a too hot is there, the frog not tolerate the temperature. That time the frog go to hide in the some places, hide their life. That time they respire through the skin. So the summer sleep is called aestivation. During summer sleep or aestivation, it going to some secret places, it is hiding their body. That time it respire through the skin. That is called aestivation. Another one is hibernation. Hibernation is otherwise called as winter sleep. See, aestivation is called summer sleep. Hibernation is called winter sleep. Why the hibernation means too cold or heavy winter is there. That time it is not tolerate the winter. That time also it is going to hide their body in the mud region. That time also it respire through the skin. That is called hibernation. So during aestivation and hibernation is goes to respire through the skin. Aestivation means summer sleep. That is too temperature is there, hide their body. That time also it respire through the skin. Another one is hibernation. That is called winter sleep. In too cold is there, they hide their body in the mud. That time also respire through the skin. So during the aestivation, I mean summer sleep, and hibernation, winter sleep, they go under respire through the skin. This is the skin mode of life. These are the respiratory pattern of the frog. Okay. Dear student, next we move to the blood vascular system of the frog or circulatory system of the frog. You know the frog, the circulatory system is closed type of circulatory system. You know the frog circulatory system is consisting see heart, blood vessels and blood. Okay, these three things are there. Now, actually the frog heart, okay, is covered by the pericardium. You see this membrane is covered by the pericardium. And it has a three-chambered heart. That is two auricle, right auricle and left auricle, and only one ventricle. The two auricle, one ventricle is there. So three-chambered heart. The two auricle, you know, upper chamber or anterior chamber. That is a thin wall. Two auricles are present. Then posterior only one chamber. That is the thick-walled chamber is called ventricle. So three chambers are present in the heart. Okay, this is the three-chambered heart in the frog. Okay, then you see the dorsal side of the, this is the dorsal view and this is the ventral view. You know the dorsal side, you know, this is a triangular chamber that is called as sinus venosus. The triangular chamber is called sinus venosus. And the same way on see the ventral side. This is the ventral side. The ventral side, you see a cylindrical structure. Look at this is a cylindrical structure which is obliquely situated. That is called as truncus arteriosus. This is a cylindrical structure. Actually, the truncus arteriosus is originated from ventricle. It is developed from this ventricle chamber only. Okay. Then, these auricle, what is the function of these auricle? Sorry, this truncus arteriosus is to receive the blood from ventricles and gives out all part of the body. So, it is a delivering chamber or a sending chamber, blood sending chamber. So, this truncus arteriosus is a cylindrical structure which is situated on the ventral view. It is developed from the ventricle. See, the truncus arteriosus developed or divided into two aortic trunk. This is called right aortic trunk. This is called right, and this is called left. This is called left. There are two aortic trunk, and each trunk again divided into three branches. One is called carotid branches. Another one is called systemic branches. Another one is called pulmocutaneous. Here also same. This right side also same three branches. Left side also three branches. See the carotid branches, the trunk is deliver the blood to the anterior part or head region, supply the anterior part. Okay. Next the systemic trunk is giving whole body. Actually here this is a left systemic trunk branch. Here also right trunk branch, systemic trunk branches. Both branches are joined together and backwardly and down as a single dorsal systemic aorta. The single dorsal systemic aorta deliver the blood or supply the blood in the posterior part of the body of frog. Okay. The third one is called pulmocutaneous systemic branch, which supply the pulmo means lungs, cutaneous means skin. It supply the blood to both lungs and skin. Actually, it deliver the all blood. That is a delivering chamber. Which one? Truncus arteriosus. But whenever supply the blood, here both carbon dioxide and oxygenated blood both are mixed because only one ventricle is here. Two auricles are here but only one ventricle. Listen here, in the right auricle the carbon dioxide blood is there. The left auricle oxygen blood is there. But is contracted this two auricle, the both blood comes to the ventricle. Both carbon dioxide and oxygenated blood. And these blood deliver by this truncus arteriosus to all parts of the body. So that the frog not only receiving the pure blood as well as mixed blood only receiving. Okay. Now we coming to the sinus venosus. Already we see it situated on the dorsal side of the heart. It's in a triangular chamber. Okay. It has a two vessel on the anterior part. That is called precaval vein. One is called right precaval. Another one is called left precaval. And another one downward, that is called postcaval vein. These veins are collected the blood. What blood collected? It is a carbon dioxide blood is collected. Okay. That is why this chamber is called receiving chamber. It collected the carbon dioxide blood and then the blood is delivered to left auricle. Sorry. Receiving the blood, carbon dioxide blood, and this blood delivered to the right auricle only. Delivered to which auricle? Right auricle. So it collected all deoxygenated blood and delivered to right auricle. So carbon dioxide blood receiving by the right auricle, and the same way oxygenated blood receiving from the lungs by the left auricle. So these two auricle contracted, both carbon dioxide, oxygen and carbon dioxide, both bloods are mixed here. So whenever ventricle contact, the blood is moved to the truncus arteries, goes to all parts of the body by right and left aortic trunk. So that time mixed blood only goes to all parts of the body of the frog. So that means what? The truncus arteries present in the ventral view, it is delivering the blood. But this sinus venosus present on the dorsal side of the heart, receiving the carbon dioxide blood from all parts of the body by two precaval vein, one postcaval vein, receiving carbon dioxide. But this blood is delivered to here. See, this is the right auricle. That's the right auricle here and both right auricle. This right auricle, this blood is moving to this carbon dioxide blood, moving to the right auricle. Whenever right auricle receiving the blood from sinus venosus, that means carbon dioxide blood. At the same time, the left auricle receiving oxygenated blood from the lungs, both auricle contract, the oxygen and carbon dioxide both are coming to ventricle because one ventricle is there, not four chamber present in the frog. So these ventricle contract, the mixed blood only goes to truncus arteries and goes to all parts of the body. And okay, this is about the heart of the frog. Okay, now see over the sinus venosus and truncus arteries. Then there are two systems here present, renal portal system and hepatic portal system. Actually, the portal system is nothing but it started as a vein and ended as a vein. That is called hepatic portal system. Why the hepatic portal system is present here? For example, lot of toxic items coming to the food. That food are filtered by the liver. And from the liver, all the food material from the liver, okay, this goes to the intestine by this, goes to the heart by hepatic portal vein. That means the food digested in intestine, that food is coming to the liver filter the food, removing all toxic wastes. Then the portal system is called hepatic portal system, which carrying this blood to the heart. That is called, that the blood is consisting good food and removing all the toxic waste. So hepatic portal system is nothing but from liver to goes to the heart. It taking pure food. Because the food coming from intestine to heart, intestine to liver, where the purification taking place. After that, from the liver, the food reaches to the heart by the blood system is called hepatic portal system. Another one is called renal portal system. This system coming from the kidney. That means lower part of the frog to kidney. From lower part of the body, all toxic and some carbon dioxide waste are carried out this renal portal system to the kidney. These two portal systems are present in this frog. Okay. Then the blood of frog is taken. The plasma is present in the 60%. The blood cells are 40%. So what are the blood cells are present in the frog? See, RBC, WBC, platelets. Everything is present in the frog. The RBC, see the oval shape. Oval shape somewhat egg shape. Okay, this oval shape. And nucleus also present. But see the mammals RB doesn't consisting nucleus, but frog RBC consisting nucleus. That's a nucleated. And a pigment also present in this RBC. Then leukocyte is a circular in nature, rounded nature. Inside also nucleus is present. Okay. And this is used in a immunity in function. So that's all about the circulatory system. Okay. Once again I repeat the two system, hepatic portal system and renal. Hepatic means liver. I mean this portal system started from the liver. Frog eating all the food, it digested well in intestine. Then the food material along with the blood goes to the liver. Where in the liver the food is purified. Then purified after the blood carrying food, that food material taking to the heart. Then from heart to all parts of the body it is transported. So from the intestine delivered to the heart, that is called hepatic portal system. Next one is called renal portal system. The renal portal system started from the posterior part of the body. It receiving all toxic wastes and carbon dioxide reaching to the kidney. Why the portal system is present here? For example, hepatic portal system present in human being also, mammals also to purify the food. But renal portal system is not present in the mammals or human being because we have four chambered heart. We are clearly separated oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. But in a frog, there is three chambered heart only. There is no two ventricle. If two ventricle is there, carbon dioxide and oxygenated blood separately separated. But here, like that prevention is not there. So that here renal portal system is also present in this frog to purify the blood. So the two systems are present in the frog, hepatic portal system and renal portal system. Thank you, students. Today's session over. Thank you. Have a nice study.